beauty of spring flowering plants lies in the flowers. The unique flowers add beauty to the plant as spring begins. Leopard lily is one of those. When I bought this plant, I was attracted by its spotted leaves and white flower spikes. There are many species of leopard lily with a slight difference in leaf pattern of flowers. My leopard lily scientific name is Dremeopsis maculata. It has broad, long, flashy green leaves speckled with brown spots when new, changing to green in summer. These are flowering spikes that attain a length of 6 to 12 inch, and these spikes appear in late winter or early spring and remain throughout spring. I like to grow this plant not only because of its beautiful spotted leaves and flowering spikes, but it is very easy to grow plant. It never bothers you or requires special care. If you are a beginner gardener, you can grow this plant easily by following these simple tips. First, its water need. People usually consider this plant as succulent, but this is not a succulent plant, but a bulbous perennial plant. If you closely observe this plant, you will find bulbs at the top of the soil, and these bulbs store water. So you have to be careful while giving water to this plant. Water only when you feel a few inch soil dry. If you water it daily, then its leaves will be rot due to overwatering. But if you forget to water this plant for few days, then don't worry, because this is a drought tolerant plant and quite hardy. Let's talk about its light need. This plant loves to grow in a bright indirect light. You can grow this plant indoors as well, but I observed that spots on its leaves diminish due to scarcity of light, and these spots appear prominent in a bright light. That's why I place my plant in a location where it can get bright but indirect light. In direct sunlight, its leaves begin to burn and grow slowly. The next important tip is fertilizing. This plant don't need much fertilizer, but for good growth, fertilize this plant once a month. But if you don't fertilize it monthly, then no issue. This plant can grow easily. Spring is the best time to fertilize your perennial plant. And the spring season is going, so fertilize your plant as soon as possible. This plant produces flowering spikes during spring. So if you fertilize at this stage, you can enjoy maximum blooms throughout the season. I have fertilized my plant at the beginning of spring. That's why my plant is growing so beautiful, and you can see flowering spikes. And I observed that its spots get more prominent after fertilizing. Otherwise, these leaves looked dark green, and these spots were not so visible. For fertilizer, I used a mixture of 2 parts of soil, 1 part of sand, 1 part of compost, and 1 teaspoon of neem cake powder, mustard cake powder, and Epsom salt. First, I remove half of the soil without disturbing the plant. Then fill the pot with a fresh prepared potting mix and water just after it. This is enough for the whole year. The best part of this plant is that this plant can easily be propagated. And I propagated this plant last year, and it is very simple. Just separate this bulb and plant it in another pot. And in this way, you can grow many this beautiful leopard lilies in your home. If we talk about pest, then I never observed any pest on this plant. These were few simple tips, and I have been following these tips for 2 years. And I think these are enough for growing healthy leopard lily. If you like this video, please press the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.